Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. But before we continue, I just want to go ahead and remind all of you, if you like the videos that you see up in my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So what we have for today's video, it is our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I know it's called an Ipsy Glam bag, but it's really a box, you know, for the month of May. I don't know why this box was shipped to me super duper late. Usually I get it way earlier in the month, but for some reason I just got it and we're almost at the end of the month. But we have it here now, so let's go into it. For those of you that don't know about this box, you get, I believe, 5 full-size items, 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 full-size items, and the total box value is said to be worth at least $120, and the box itself is worth $25 a month. So let's just go ahead and go in here. I'm gonna grab this one first. With this box, you do get the opportunity to, you know, purchase things on the side just as add-ons to your box for a discounted price. So I went ahead and purchased this one. This is a peel-off mask. It is from Pure Heals. It is Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. I just hope it doesn't hurt. I tried a peel-off mask the other day, and I wasn't expecting it to hurt, and it hurt. It hurt as I was peeling it off. I kind of regret it after I started peeling it. But I know that's how it's working. So this is just an add-on that I purchased. So let's go in. I'm going to start with this one here. It is from Tarte. It is from the Tarteist line. It is a lip paint in the shade Choker. So I really like these Tarte paints. They are long wearing and they don't dry my lips out. So that's one thing that I really like. This is a nice color. Ooh, it smells like minty almost. This is a really nice color. It is your typical, you know, Tarteist lip paint packaging, and that's the color there. That's actually a really nice color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one here. It's from Mimosa Moment. Oh, by Colored Rain. This brand is actually really popular in these boxes. I had never heard of this brand up until Ipsy. They use a lot of their products. So it's a eyeshadow palette. I wonder what the colors. Oh, those are pretty. They're nice nude colors. You can create a pretty nice look with this one. You have 2 metallics and then the rest you get 4 other shades. They're matte. So you have a total of 6 colors. These are really pretty. They're all in the brown nude family. Then up next, I'm gonna, of course, we have something from Wonder Beauty. So what is this? Let me guess. It's a mascara. What? What is this? It doesn't feel like... Oh, wait. Is this a brow gel? There's nothing written on here. What is... Oh, yeah. It says... It has really, really tiny letters right here. It says, Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel. So it's a brow gel. I honestly thought this was a mascara because that's all we get from Wonder Beauty. So it has a little tiny spoolie here, and it smells like chemicals. And it's just a clear gel. It almost looks like the little bristle, like the little brush doesn't have anything. But once I like push it like into my skin, like I can actually feel it. But of course we have something again from Wonder Beauty. Nothing new. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. It's from Galactic, and this is a Skin Glow Duo. So it's a highlighter in the shade Moonlight. Those are pretty colors. So that is it there. It looks like we have a pinkish and a goldeny kind of color, and I think these are creams. Yeah, they're creams. They feel really oily though. Okay, so it says Skin Glow, so I wonder if it's like for your skin or just your face. But I mean, if it's for your skin, it's actually not bad. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be hard to pick up on camera, but in person it looks really nice. They as you, like you guys can see, like when I do this, it like leaves a mark on there. They feel really, really oily. But it, like I said, if it's for the skin, it's actually not bad. If I put it on my arm, it looks pretty. I don't think I would put this on my face though. So I really like it. Like if I put it on my arm, you know, like so I can look like I have some color. Actually looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna use this once, you know, once I have somewhere to go. Because when am I gonna wear this just at home? Then I'm gonna get it on my couch. So once I can actually go out somewhere and put it on so I can look nice and shiny, then I'll use this one. The very last item that we have, it is from Mud Masky or Mud Musky. This one, it is an After Mask Vitamin C Serum. What? After Mask? What? Oh, okay. So this one, you're supposed to put it on after a mud mask or a clay mask. Or a peel-off mask. So this one, I guess, is just going to kind of help your skin after you put on a mask. That's actually a pretty cool, you know, concept. The very last thing that we have, it is our little bag. This is a really pretty color. The bags for the month of May are actually really nice. They're nice and colorful. Oh, it has a little tassel. So this is a cosmetic bag that you get. Every month you do get a cosmetic bag. They always look different. And let's see, I don't know. They stopped giving me prices and product information. So as I edit, I'm going to insert MSRP prices so you guys can know more or less how much it is. So those were all the items from the box. So that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.